Okay, today is December the 9th, 2022. I've got my Harbor Freight Predator 3500 watt generator. I've put on the kit for propane and natural gas. Got it hooked up to the tank. Everything should be fine and ready to start. I've never started it yet. Just got through barely putting in the oil. And let's give it a shot. I've got the switch to run. I've got the ESC throttle to off. And I'm ready to do the start. Here we go. Let's see how it works. Wow, that was pretty cool. Started right up. Sounds really nice. I've got this kit, propane natural gas kit that I got. Awesome. I had to purge it with this purge button about three times, and it started up just like that. Unbelievable. Says 1, 2, 4. Time wise is 0. Oh, there's time wise 0.